exciting news today.
Have you?
Yes, we are teaming up with Homemade Science with Professor Arwen.
Do you know what, Ella? That really is exciting.
I know.
Wow.
So we are going to show a science experiment now, and then Trevor and Arwen are going to try and make it, and then they are going to also give us one to try.
That is amazing. Let's do it.
So the first one we are going to do with Coke.
I like Coca-Cola.
And Mentos. You're going to put your Mentos in the bottle and see what happens.
Wow, Professor Arwen, did you see what Ella just did? You didn't see it? Oh, well, we better give it a go for ourselves, eh? Yeah? Okay, so, what do we need? We need some...
Coke.
Coke. Banana. Here, where you going?
Wait.
Right. Dana! Look, we got loads. Do you want to move back a bit?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Steady? Whoa! This is Professor Arwen, and I am Lab Tech Daddy. We do lots of science videos and we put them on YouTube. We have a channel, and you can subscribe. You can give us likes and enjoy all our science videos. Today we are going to make
Ice cream.
Oh, do you know what the sign for ice cream is? Ice cream. Can you do that? Ice cream, yeah. We're not going to make boring ice cream. We're going to make fun ice cream. We're going to do science ice cream. Yeah? Okay. So, to make ice cream, you will need
Milk.
some milk. Some salt. I don't know the sign for salt. Salt. S-A-L-T. You will need some...
This is the sign for salt.
Is it? Okay. You'll need some vanilla. Some vanilla. You'll need Ziploc bag. And
some ice cubes. Daddy,
quite a bit of ice. We haven't got lots and lots and lots, but I reckon we've got enough. And some sugar. Right.
Open the zip bag
First thing, open the zip bag.
and then do the sugar.
That's salt.
Salt.
That's last. You're going to put the sugar in first.
Yeah.
So, sugar in the bag. There is 15 grams of caster sugar. Next, milk.
This is heavy milk.
That's it. Pour it all in. That's it. Make sure it all goes in there. Yeah.
Done.
Okay. Right. Now, hold that. You got that?
I want to pour.
Yeah, well, you can, but I'm going to have to do this, put this in here. And the last thing is the vanilla.
I'll put it in.
Yep. Go on then, pour that in. Right. Okay, give that a stir. Just a gentle one. Give it a stir. Now, can you do the bag up?
Yeah.
Right, just gonna squeeze some of the air out of the end. Now we've squeezed the air out of the bag, so it's quite thin. Okay, quite thin now, you can see. Right, what's next?
Salt.
Salt. And what are we going to do with the salt?
We're going to pour it into the ice.
We're going to pour it into the ice.
Yep.
Right, so you need...
The salt feels cold.
Does it?
Yeah.
You need 90 grams of salt. Right, put that in there. With 1 kilo
Of ice.
of ice. Right, give that a shake. Mix it round.
You give it
Now.
a shake.
One thing, you can have no punctures in any of your bags.
No.
Right, hold that.
Okay.
You got it? Just to be on the safe side, we're going to use 2 Ziploc bags. Put that in there so we don't get any leakage. Right, now we put that in there.
Okay.
Just make sure we squeeze the air out of that one as well. Right, now we tie this one up. Give it a bit of that. Bit of welly. Like that. So you do that. So, you need 300 millilitres of milk. You need 15 grams of caster sugar.
Okay.
You need 0.25 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together, put it in a bag. Then you need 1 kilogram of ice and 90 grams of salt, rock salt. Okay, put it all together, mix it up. Then you got to give it a good mix. Right, it takes 10 or 15 minutes before it's ready. We've got to keep moving the bag, so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to keep moving the bag for 10 minutes and then we will see if our ice cream is ready. So, here's the science. Do you know what's happening in here,
No.
Professor Arwen? Well, I am Lab Tech Daddy and I know what's going on in here. The ice mixes up with the salt and the salt takes some of the heat away from the ice. So the cold has to go somewhere and the milk absorbs the cold and it starts to freeze. So I've been squeezing and shaking this for the last 10 minutes now and now I think it's ready. So we're going to have a look inside and maybe give it a try. Oh,
Ready.
oh, it feels good.
What does it feel like?
It feels good.
Is it ice
Oh,
cream?
there's a bit of... Have a
Is it
feel.
ice cream?
What do you think? Does that feel like ice cream to you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's taste it. Maybe she wants to taste it too.
It smells good.
She wants to taste it. She took up a tend bit.
You try some.
She likes it.
Good. What about you, Professor Arwen? You try some.
I do.
Is it as good as ice cream from the shop. Not really. Maybe it needs more sugar and more vanilla extract. I think it's alright. Cheers.
I don't think I want to eat any.
Back to you, Ella. Bye. Say bye.
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 We have loved working with you today. It's been so much fun. We have to do it again. Guys, remember to go and check out Homemade Science with Professor Arwen.
Wow.
And they have also started signing a lot of their videos, and as you've seen today, signing theirs, I feel like I might need to learn a bit of signing too.
I think you might, Ella.
Yes, we need to up our game a little bit, don't we?
Sure do.
Guys, it's been brilliant. Do try out making your ice cream in a bag, and if you do the other science experiment, the Coke and Mentos, do let us know. It's been great fun.
Hope you have enjoyed this week's episode of QRBC Kids. We will see you next week. Bye!